chocolate crepe blini recipe for the batter. 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon melted butter or vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt. For the filling, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Nutella or melted chocolate. Optional, sliced fruits like strawberries or bananas. Optional, chopped nuts. For topping and decoration, melted chocolate or chocolate syrup, fresh fruits, strawberries, bananas, etc. Ice cream optional, powdered sugar or crushed nuts. Instructions. 1. Make the batter. In a bowl, mix the eggs, sugar, and salt. Add milk and stir. Gradually whisk in the flour until smooth. Finally, add the melted butter and mix well. 2. Cook the crepes. Heat a non-stick pan and lightly grease it. Pour a small amount of batter and spread it thin. Cook each side for 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. 3. Add the filling. Spread Nutella or melted chocolate on the cooked crepe. You can also add fruit slices. Roll it up or fold into a triangle. 4. Decorate and serve. Drizzle with melted chocolate, sprinkle with nuts, and add fruits. Serve with a scoop of ice cream if desired.